Hey, Dr. Fogarty. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing. Thank you for accepting your video. So today I just want to go over a few things. We noticed your ads on Facebook, and so we decided to take a look at your website and see if we couldn't give you a few tips that could help bring in more patients. Because nearly 70% of your website, nearly 70% of organic leads from your patients are going to come from your website. So it is going to be important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture the traffic because the patients are there looking for you. So as you can see, we are on your website. You have a decent looking website. Let's see. You got a good amount of information here, which is good. But you don't have any local keywords attached to these. So you definitely need to have some keywords, local keywords. And if your area has low volume, if there's other communities around you, you could even target some of the bigger communities that your patients will be coming from so that you can get more volume. But I would focus your content here around those local keywords so that you can help your patients find you. When it comes to ranking, it's not based on your website appearance. It is all based on the content on your website. So it is really important to have a ton of content and information. So this is good. Google wants your homepage to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused around your keywords and services. But if your competitors have more content, you're going to have more than they do. The rule of thumb is you're always going to need more than what your competitors are doing. And you need 250 words for every keyword that you're going to try and target. So Google has little robots called crawlers that go and index all of your pages so that they can rank you for your keywords and put you in front of your customers. Now, I did notice under your services that your three main services here are all on one page with limited information. So you're going to want separate pages for every individual service or treatment option you have. So that way you can go after the related keywords, local related keywords, so that you can help your patients with these services and actually be found for each of these various services. If we take a look at one of your competitors locally, in Coco, we have Coco Chiropractic. They also have a nice looking website. You can see they have a ton of pages. And so the more pages you have, the more information, the more keywords you can target, and the more volume you're going to bring to your website. So that's going to be really, really important, is to work on the content and keyword strategy. You can see here they have a ton more content. So you're definitely going to have to work on that content. And then you want to also support that with search engine optimization, because a website by itself isn't going to be enough for you to be found online. Now, it does look like you've had some SEO working for you. Right now you have a rating of a 2.8 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow for your website as a whole. And that is because of your backlinks and referring domains. Not all of these are created equal, so you want to make sure you're only going after the authoritative links that are related to your industry and that are do follows, because do follow links actually share the power of higher ranking sites and help you to rank higher. Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, so anything extra is looked at as spam. Now, if we look here, 37 of your links are do follows, which means only 37 links here are doing anything remotely to help your website. You have been indexed for 76 keywords, but you're only getting about 117 people to your website. So you are missing out on good amount of traffic and potential patients. Looking at your keywords, chiropractic, Rockledge, this is great. This is a buyer intent, patient intent keyword. And clearly you are very well known. Your practice is well known. There's really good volume for that, so that's great. Normally I tend to say focus more on local keywords, but you do have great search volume for your name as well as your practice. So I would definitely throw some more backlinks and get these #1 on Google. But also I would look at your surrounding areas and the search volume if you have bigger areas. Coco has higher search volume than you guys do in your area. So I would consider going after the keywords for other communities near you that your patients could come to see you, but that you could get more volume as well. But you do have a couple great ones on the first page of Google. There's 10 spots per page on Google, but you have a ton of other keywords that you need to get up to the first spot so you can start driving more traffic. Looking at your competitor, they have a poor rating of a 1.5 with 74 backlinks and 22 referring domains. Again, this shows that not all are created equal. Only 4 of those are actually do follows, so you only have to beat their 4 referring domains, which you're already doing. So you just need to be targeting more of the higher volume local keywords like they're doing. Their traffic is about the same as yours. The difference is that they have the higher volume keywords and that they're actually ranking for them. So you're pretty close there. And then the last part is going to be this Google My Business section. And your goal here should be to be in the top 3 because nearly 30% of your patients go straight to the maps and don't go anywhere else when they're searching. And so if you're not listed here, you send all those new patients over to your competition. So in order to get in this spot, there are several factors, but the most important are going to be your citations. And that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and Next. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your services in your service area using those important keywords supported by SEO. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. I hope you found it useful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.